What big eyes you have, Grandma! From Romulus and Remus to the Little Red Riding Hood to Harry Potter to Twilight, wolves have been part of the popular culture for ages. Their mysticism intrigues humans more than any other animals. We, the Jajabars, have always loved nature and have had a few close interactions with animals like polar bears in Canada and sea lions in Galapagos. We have seen lots of wild animals in the wild, but never a wolf. It is not easy to spot these elusive animals. So when we heard of this wolf walk in Golden, BC, we decided to go for it. It is organized by the Northern Lights Wolf Center, which is a few kilometers from Golden, BC. You drive through some winding roads to reach the center. It promotes wolf conservation throughout the natural environment. They are an educational facility that loves to educate the people about wolves. They offer interpretive programs about wolves and conservation, as well as interactive school presentations, field trips to teach about wolves and their role in maintaining a healthy environment. To go for a wolf walk, you must be at least 16 years old. There are some restrictions at the walk. For example, you cannot have any fur on you, real or fake. You must not approach the wolf, let it approach you, and don't bend down in the presence of the animal. Shelley, who is a founder of the organization, accompanied us for the walk as the wolf only responds to her. For booking and other information, please check the link in the description below. There's Flora, ready to walk with us. She's gone wandering into the woods and Shelley is trying to entice her back. After running around for a while, she's ready for some snacks and Shelley provides her with some chunks of raw beef. A wolf usually eats 1/3 of its body weight once every few days. Like all other animals, other than Homo sapiens, they tend not to look for food when their stomachs are full. This is the grey wolf, Canis lupus. It is native to Eurasia and North America. In Canada, 50,000 to 60,000 wolves live in 80% of their historical range, making Canada an important stronghold for the species. The wolf is a protected species in the national parks of Canada. Apart from meat, wolves are known to eat fruits and berries. The global wild wolf population was estimated to be 300,000 in the year 2003. And is considered to be of least concern. That's it for today. Hope you liked it. Please like, subscribe and comment, and don't forget to share it on your social media. Thank you.